Alright, the last thing we have to do is we got our body together. We want to connect, put our feet and our hands on him. Foot. This was a special order for a customer that wanted white on one side and square black squares on the other. If you'd enjoyed watching this video on how to make a rabbit, please like my YouTube page and click subscribe. I would appreciate that. There's our feet. Now we just need the hands. One hand. And then there we go. There's our hands, our feet. We'll use a little paste wax because you want to keep this so it will slide good, so you want to occasionally wax that with paste wax. Do the same with the bottom of the neck, put a little wax around it. And you just want to use a rubber band. We'll loop that back in there. There's our little character. The only thing I haven't done was I didn't glue the ears on. I didn't glue the ears on because when I pack it to send it, I don't want the ears to break. So what you can do is you can either put them on and off depending on how you carry it in your trunk, or you can actually just put a little wood glue in the dowel and stick it in and glue it in. So thanks for watching.